I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, the easiest place to shop and get all of your needs met with Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. You can head over here. They've got gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Steam, Uber, Instacart, Airbnb, Apple. The list goes on, but they have you covered. You can be living on a Bitcoin standard like me, and BitRefill has been a godsend. So head to bitrefill.com and use code BTC Sessions at checkout for discounts.
I'm gonna ask you guys a question. Who is the greatest self-custody advocate in Bitcoin?
The self-custody on the positive encouragement side of like, you should do this, I would say Odell. But like in reality, in real terms, who's done the most for self-custody? I can tell you it's SBF.
Exactly. He's an accelerationist. You know, like, why are we decelerating? Let's let J-Daddy take it. Justin Trudeau. Let's like Justin Trudeau take it. Let's let him freeze.
I've not
bank
heard
accounts.
J-Daddy, but I enjoy it.
Why are we getting mad at Justin freezing bank accounts? That was one that there was like that trucker protest candle that kind of happened. I don't know if that's like a correlation or a causation or whatever, but I mean like that there's no better way to like educate people that, oh shit, like fiat's a Ponzi. You don't even need CBDCs. Fiat's a Ponzi. They can stop you from transacting your money at any point in time. Like all these people in like Lebanon or whatever, where they're kind of getting their bank accounts frozen, like this whole country of Bitcoiners, if they can grasp it. But
yeah,
the archetype of trying to like hold on to the system is almost like being like the Batman archetype. He's like the decelerationist. He's trying to save Gotham, which is just a crime ridden, like disgusting, like borough of like, you know, fiat sludge. And then you have Joker, who gets it. He's like the accelerationist. Joker's like, dude, I get it. Like, I gotta just blow off top here, and we just gotta go with it. But Batman's slowing it down. So who's the real protagonist here?
How much more pain and suffering is Batman gonna put through?